Hi, welcome to BlindOwl Outdoors. We hope you enjoy our channel, and if possible, could you please join our Patreon page? We really need your help. It's been a long, hard road. Thank you. Hi!
Welcome to BlindOwl Outdoors.
It's late Sunday afternoon. It's got to be about 5:30 and just about dark. For some strange reason unknown to me, we're shopping, getting our supplies in the pouring rain. I just went to the vegetable market. I'm soaked from head to toe. Everybody else stayed in the car for some reason. I don't quite understand that, but I guess I'm the lucky one. And it's not hardly raining here now. Before it was just pouring like crazy. Found a few potatoes. $1.30 a kilo, not too bad. I got a new lady in there to buy them from when you first walk into the left now. 2 times in a row they've been fair. Another one at the end of the center row too is pretty nice, but I'm going to these ladies again next time. You got your 2 of those green things. These potatoes. Marife's looking for some carrots for something. Not a single carrot in the whole entire market. Kind of strange. A friend from Manila said prices are going to go up 25% next month. All food, vegetables, rice, everything. Just a bunch of greedy robbers, that's what happened. Water on the road. These are the days. It's nice to have a car, I'll tell you. Years before, we'd be up here in the rain on a motorcycle. You still got to get your stuff done. There's nothing you can do about it. You got to get wet. I never had a tricycle. It's not raining at all out here, just sprinkling. Rice fields are nice and full of water. The funny thing is, it'll take 4 days of sun and everything will dry up. Back to a desert. The rice fields, but can't see much through my dirty window. Some hot dogs for dinner tonight. Bread in town was disgusting. All seemed like it was 2 or 3 days old.
guys. Take care. Be safe.
Thanks for watching. Take care.